Welcome to the Corbellic studio. We're going to start where we left off on the last video where we were painting either dog blue or the parrot bird. I'm glad that you really love these videos where we're just going through the process of how to paint, giving yourself the permission to feel free into painting. And yeah, we're just going to get things going. I mean, I'm just showing up to work. I work every single day. I still put in the numbers. Right now, we're just going to do a fun, quick session of 10, 12, who knows, maybe 20 paintings, depending on how I'm feeling. Then take a break. And then I usually do this about 3 to 4 times throughout the day. I do 90-minute blocks when I'm working, no distractions, no cell phones. I just go straight into the work. Got to get it done. I don't have to love it. I just have to get it done. I want to give you permission to also do the same thing using the projector. So without further ado and keep talking, let's get this going. All right. Now, when I talk about that, you don't have to love it. What I mean is, you don't have to love each painting. You don't have to be in love with each painting that you do, because some you're not going to be feeling and some you're going to love. Just make sure that you get it done. It's all about showing up. You ever hear the quote where it's 90% of it is just showing up? Well, that's how I look at life, and that's how I look at a lot of things. You know, doing art is so psychological and philosophical. At times you'll learn more about yourself, and you'll learn about the process of how to have a strong mindset, how to get past different things in your life, and how to just have perseverance. Even though you don't see the end of the road, you might not see the end result, but everything's going to be okay. You're going to get through it, and everything's going to be beautiful at the end, just like these paintings are. I'm just trusting in the process. I don't know what the end result is going to be. You know, I'm working off of the projector, so it can also give me a leg up with the inspiration, with the motivation, so that way I'm not just staring at a blank canvas and also trying to recreate the wheel, because you can't recreate the wheel. Just having fun. Like this painting right here, I love doing these vintage paintings right here of a Pepsi Cola uh, pop bottle. I think it was a pop bottle top, yeah. Or even paintings like this, just having fun and doing neo expressionism face and just flowing with it. We're using the projector so we could get some of the dimensions, so we could get proportions, but we're also just letting things flow out of us, whatever it is. It doesn't matter. It's always going to be beautiful. Even that one, I was just using that where just the dimensions and the proportions, but doing an abstract swirl at the end. Or this one, just having an abstract Batman, and then I put the lights on and I just go off of it myself. So you're free to create and do anything that you want to do. And this gives you a leg up when you're using the projector. So that's going to be the best part about it. And you could just have so much fun. But I always keep that in my mind. That's one of the number one things I say. You don't have to like it, but at least we're getting it done. All right, so we just got finished doing those set of 10 to 12 paintings right there. You could just see how quick that the time goes by. If I can do it, you could do it too. And you could just make your money right there. I mean, what minimum we made $300 to $500 just in that short period of time gap, just knocking out those pieces of painting. If you want to learn how to do this, click the link below. I'm going to set everything up for you. I have all the templates. I have everything that you need, how you can get started. You don't need social media. You don't need to be an artist. Only thing you need is a projector and show the way how to set everything up. All the lessons that I've learned over the years above my head, how I sold 17,000 original paintings on eBay. So let's go through the table right now and you can see different designs of what we did in this time period. All right, so let's check these out. All right, so you can see these are the paintings that we've done. Look at that. These are the paintings. Look, oh, they're all colorful. You can see that they're all expressionism. You can see that they're abstract. You can see that there's so many details in the brush strokes where it's like we're going in different designs and you don't know what the abstracts are, right? So even though we're not detailed with the paintbrush as far as spending so much time and hours on it, it's detail as far as what you could tell the confidence in the brush strokes. And you could do this as well, how I'm showing you. So if you like that, if you know someone who's interested, you're interested, you want to make some extra money, check us out. Click the link below and I'm going to check you guys out later. All right, thanks for coming.